Unit 4, Lesson 8, Practice Problems number 6. Without calculating, order the quotients from smallest to largest. So, what does this mean? 56 divided by 8 means how many 8s fit into 56? A decent amount. I know off the top of my head that 8 times 7 is 56. So 7 8s fit into 56. So that's a decent number. This one says how many 8 millions fit into 56? Not one, that's for sure. One would be 8 million. So it would be such a super, super tiny piece of 8 million. So this one is greater than 1. I don't want to write it like that. This one's greater than 1. This one's less than 1. This one says how many 8, we have tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. How many 8 millions? That would be 8 millions. How many of these fit into 56? I'm going to tell you it's a whole lot, a ton of them. So many of those little tiny pieces will fit into 56. So this one is kind of like a normal number. This one is huge, and this one is tiny. So if we're ordering them from smallest to largest, number 1 would be 56 divided by 8 million. That's also like chopping 56 up into 8 million pieces. Those pieces would be tiny. The second one in the middle is going to be 56 divided by 8, because 8 goes into 56 7 times. Kind of a normal solution. 3 would be 56 divided by 8 millions, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, not 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and an 8. That says how many 8 millionths, a very, 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 very tiny fraction. How many of those tiny fractions will fit into 56? A ton. So many. That number is going to be huge. So when you're describing your reasoning, this number is going to be tiny, 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 because you're chopping 56 up into 8 million pieces. This is going to be a normal number, 7. This one is going to be huge because you can fit so many of those tiny fractions into 56.